everyone, it's Mari. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video, which is the unboxing of my order with my Hobonichis for the next year. So if this is something that you're interested in, just keep on watching. Okay, so I clearly didn't order directly from Hobonichi, and this is because usually I only order one Hobonichi weeks. So usually the shipping, it's just way too expensive just to order one book. So I wasn't planning on ordering anything else, and I decided not to order from Hobonichi this year again. And then I actually ended up ordering from a store here in the United States called Little Craft Place. I had purchased from them before and they were really good, so I decided to order from there again, and I just got my order here, which is very exciting. I ordered this on Friday and today is Thursday, so yeah, it was a good turnaround time. I actually ended up deciding last minute to add a few things, so I was thinking a lot about what I wanted to get for next year, and I had already decided that I was gonna get 2 Hobonichi weeks for next year. But then last minute I decided to add something else. So I think perhaps if I would have bought directly from Hobonichi, it would have been worth it. But it's okay. I like the store as well, so I like to be able to support them too. And how cute is this tape, this packaging tape? I'm gonna speed up while I try to open this because I'm gonna need to use a knife, and I don't want to get distracted. Laika is also very curious to see what I got, so let's just open this up. Laika, what do you think? What do you think? Did you like it? Do you want the box? I can give you the box. Okay, let me put this away. And I think she might want to follow the box. So yeah, let's open this. Very well packaged. Michael, what are you doing? She's biting me. Okay, so let's see here. More packaging. And then here you go, this is my order. I ordered a lot of things. Let me try to remove this so we can have a white background. Sorry about all the noises, the plastic noises, I'm just very excited. Okay, so the first thing I got, as you can see here, is the Animal Crossing pencil board in an A6 size. I confess that I wasn't really into this pattern that they chose for the Animal Crossing collaboration. I thought they could do a little better with the design, like it could be a little bit cuter, but I still like it, and I like Animal Crossing a lot. I still play Animal Crossing, so yeah, I couldn't resist. This is the thing that I ended up getting that I didn't need to get, so yeah, I like it. I like this a lot. So yeah, I got this A6 pencil board here, and let me see how the back side of this pencil board is, if it is the same pattern. Can I open this? Here we go. Oh, this is so pretty, and the material is very soft. I don't know if this is a little bit different than the other pencil board. So I have the Wix pencil board here, and don't mind how dirty it is because I actually really use it a lot. No, I think it's the same material. It's just that I'm not really used to touching the pencil boards. I usually just put them behind a page and that's it. But it's really cute. I particularly like this pattern here. If they only did that, I would love it as well. But yeah, I kind of like this. too. And of course, I had to buy it because it has my favorite, which is Filbert. So yeah, very excited for that. Oh, here's their card. So this is Little Craft Place. I really like their store. I've bought them before, and I think their prices are fair. So yeah, that's it. The next thing I got, I'm just gonna go with the Animal Crossing thing because this is what I'm most excited for. So again, this is something that I wasn't intending on buying, but I just couldn't resist. And I figured it sold out really quickly, and then I would change my mind about buying it and wouldn't be able to, so I decided to get it. So in this case, FOMO got the best of me. But yeah, so I got the cover, and the cover came with an A6 English techo. So I have no idea what I'm gonna use this for. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to let me know down in the comments. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. I had an A6 Avec last year just to try it out. I bought it really cheap on Amazon, and I was using it literally just to try it out, and I figured out that it doesn't necessarily work for me as a daily planner. So I will probably try to do something a little bit more creative with this. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking for this one. And then of course I got the Animal Crossing cover, which is just really, really pretty. All of the villagers here. You know, one thing that I was thinking as I was waiting for this cover is that perhaps I could try to have the same villagers on my island, just to, I don't know, just to have something different and something that would perhaps make me like this cover a little bit more. Not that I don't love it, but yeah, I don't know, just an idea, just to keep Animal Crossing interesting. So let me open this. Okay, and here you go. So this is actually the first Hobonichi cover that I have in A6. I never had one before because, again, I only tried the A6 size last year for a short period of time. But yeah, it's really cool. It's just like a printed fabric, so nothing like super interesting in terms of the feel of the cover. It's just a printed pattern, but I really like it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to do something creative with this, maybe using it as a social media planner or something like that. And then they have these little bookmarks here with the leaf, and then here inside they have a little text in Japanese over there as well. Some information here about the book, about the cover in Japanese as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, and then this is another pocket. This is another sleeve actually for your book, and then you have another sleeve here, a big pocket here in the back, and this pocket here. And then it comes with 2 sticker sheets, which are the exact same. So let me open this up. Okay, so it comes with 2 of the same sticker sheets with just the regular characters from Animal Crossing. So we have Tom Nook, either Tommy or Timmy. They could have both here. They could have put both of them here, but it's okay. Isabel and all other characters. Yeah, it's a really cute sticker sheet. I'm not sure. It's a good thing that they gave us 2, because I will probably just hoard one and then I might try to use the other one. So we'll see. We'll see how that's gonna go. Okay. So that's it for my Animal Crossing cover. I'm gonna put that aside. My A6 English techo. So last year I got an A6 Avec version, so it was a Japanese version, So, and I know there are some differences between the English and the Japanese version, so we're gonna take a quick look at that. And then they always come with this life book pamphlet here, which the design is really cute this year. I like it. I never use it for anything, but perhaps I could try to do some collages later. We'll see. And then for the book, this is actually, the cover is actually really cool. I like that. It's gray inside, and then I think the main difference, other than it being in English, I think the main difference is on the daily pages. So you don't have the three, I think it's a little bit more like 5 check boxes here on the top. You don't have all of the time slots here either. And I think the grid is a little bit larger than the one from the Japanese version. So I'm excited about using this one as well. And the other thing is, for my Japanese version, both for the weeks and for the A6 that I got earlier, I got it with the intention of eventually trying to learn Japanese and trying to translate the quotes, but I never did. So it's a good thing that it's in English, so I can check and try to see the quotes for the day. And it seems like we have one quote every 2 days, right? Because one quote here, and then the person that said that or wrote that. So cool, something else that is new for me to try. And then I have this is the one that I bought for my, like, an additional Hobonichi weeks. I usually just have the one that I post videos here about for my memory planning or doodle journaling. But this year I decided to get 2 Hobonichi weeks, and the reason for that is that whenever my planning system is not really working, what I was using was like a cheap Amazon version of the Hobonichi weeks, and that I found that works really well for me to just, basic organization. So that's what I'm gonna be using for both work and home. And the idea is that I upgraded this to Hobonichi instead of a generic one from Amazon, because I want to try to use my fountain pens a little bit more. So the idea is that I'm gonna have a dedicated fountain pen to use with this Hobonichi weeks, and this will be both my personal and work planner for next year. So we'll see how that's gonna go. Yeah, it's just a regular weeks. This color is it's called Phantom Blue, and yeah, I think that's it. Nothing much. I ordered the mega version because I want to do some daily bullet journal style entries for this one. So I figured that it's better to have lots of pages and perhaps not even need all of those than have less pages that I need. And then for my journaling, for my doodle journaling, I actually bought these peach Hobonichi weeks. So let me see if I can open this. So here you go. So this is the peach cover. It is very much a pink cover rather than like a more peachy cover, in my opinion. Yeah, it's very pinky, but it's okay, I like it. And the writing here is in white, which is cool as well. So this is gonna be next year's doodle journal, and I'm excited about that as well. And I also ordered a mega because as I mentioned in previous videos already, for this year 2021 I got a regular weeks, and I'm already missing some pages. So I figure, again, it's best to have more pages than have too little pages. So yeah, that's pretty much it for planners. And then I also got one clear cover on cover for the A6 size, and one clear cover on cover for the A5 size. A while ago I actually got an A5 Hobonichi cover, and it was actually a distash from a friend. So I got it several months ago, I think perhaps more than a year ago, when I went to visit her, and I wasn't really using it because first I'm not using a Hobonichi cousin, but I was planning on using this with my bullet journal, but then this year or in the end of last year I actually stopped using bullet journal completely. So what I'm using this now is to house this disc planner here, which is a little bit smaller than A5, but this is what I'm using actually to study, so to house my study notes. So I got a clear cover on cover for that as well. So other than that, I can see here that I also got a free washi, which is very cool of them, very nice of them to include that. So let's see, it seems like it's a cactus washi, so really cute, really pretty. Yeah, I appreciate the detail and the thought. So this is all I got in terms of 2022 planners. So 2 clear covers, cover on cover, 2 Hobonichi weeks, and then the Animal Crossing planner and pencil board with the English version techo. And that's it. Let me know what you think about my purchases for next year. I will probably gonna start using this one right away, just because I need a planner system for right now. And yeah, that's it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're getting anything from Hobonichi this year, and what you're getting, or what is the planner system that you're gonna use for next year and what has been working for you. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, which was a little bit different, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.